So what we need to do now is we need to put in 6 different shapes down here, and we need to write the word color at the top. I'm going to go ahead and start with the shapes. Now your shapes tool might look like a heart. If you click and hold down the heart, you might find that it looks like a square. If yours looks like a square, click and hold it down, and you have access to all of these. Now when you open Photoshop, it might look like any one of these shapes. So look for the square, look for the circle, look for the heart. It's kind of lower on the screen. And you can just click and drag and make yourself a rectangle here. Cool. Now if I double click on the rectangle, click, click, I can change its color, move it around, make it darker, more purple, whatever I want to do. And there we go. I can then go to this button, which makes a new layer. Create a new layer. Click here, and look, I have a new layer. This is my first layer. This is that purple square, and this is a new layer. So I can let's make a circle maybe. I'm going to make a circle right here, or kind of oval. And I can drag it where I want it. I can double click on it. I can change its color. I can do lots of stuff. So here I have a kind of a rectangle, I have a circle, and now I need another shape. Well, I could choose the polygon tool. That's how many sides I have. If I choose 3, it's going to be a triangle. And let's go ahead and let's make a triangle here. I'm going to bring it down. It's a little big, so I can drag the corner down. It's fine. Check mark. Drag the corner down. Check mark. And let's go ahead and make this guy a little more square-like. Check mark. Here we go. So I've got these 3 shapes here. Now the assignment says that I need 6 different shapes, and each has its own color. So I'm going to go ahead and change the color of my triangle. I double click, come over here, change the color to a nice blue here. We have purple, green, and blue. So I need 3 more colors and 3 more shapes. Now some of you might want to make a heart shape, and you'll find that when you make a heart shape, it's not always a heart. What? Why isn't that a heart? That's just crazy. Well, I'm going to take this layer. I don't want this because I wanted a heart or something else. I'm going to drag it into the trash can, and boom, it's gone. That's how you delete a layer. Now each of these layers I can move independently. They can go below or above. Notice how the circle is above the square, but below the triangle. And I can move their order. If I want the triangle behind all of them, I simply drag my shape below. Now the triangle is on the bottom. Notice it's behind them all because it's on the bottom. So that's how you change what's in front, what's in back, stuff like that. Now let's go ahead and grab some new shapes. Now here's the heart shape. And it's actually not the heart shape, it's a custom shape tool, so you can choose from lots of shapes. Now when you open Photoshop, you might only have something like this. You're like, but Mr. Pettit, there's not a lot of shapes. Well, choose the arrows right here, come down and go to all element shapes. That gives you all of them. And maybe you like maybe animals, or maybe you like some Chinese characters. That's what we had going before. You got some funny faces here, some fruit, just a bunch of random stuff. Music things, puzzle pieces. That's what I used on the example here. Lots of different things. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to choose. I'm just going to make something easy. I'm going to go to these silly faces here. Here's the bunny. And I can just drag and make a bunny. Now, you see that the bunny can be tall, the bunny can be wide. If I hold down the Shift key, the bunny will keep its shape. So I'm just holding down the Shift key, and I make my bunny. There you go. Pretty cool, huh? I can come over here. I can grab another shape. Let's make maybe this weird-looking mouse dude. Hold down Shift to keep him even. Got my little mouse dude here. Pretty cool. Let's maybe make a dragon thing. Hold down Shift, and here I got my dragon here. See? So there you go. Uh-oh, these are on the same layer. Not good. I'm going to delete them. I forgot. I need to make a new layer and then drag the other ones. So don't forget to make a new layer. Otherwise, you may find that you've got some layers combined, and you don't want that. And don't forget to double-click to make yourself a. Oops. Don't forget to double-click to change your color.